Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for joining us today. This is Joe with the Local Search Association, and I'd like to welcome you all to LSA's webinar series. Today's webinar, titled Creating an Effective Brand-SMB Co-op Marketing Ecosystem, will be brought to you by our guest presenter, Ido Shatsky, from our new member, 121 Mobile. During the webinar, feel free to type any questions you may have in the question box on the screen, and at the conclusion of the presentation, Ido will address them. With that, let's get started. Over to you, Ido.
Thank you, Joe, and thank you, everybody, for joining. My name is Ido Shatsky. I'm the co-founder of a new startup named 121 Mobile. 121 Mobile is a technology company that's founded by veterans from the mobile industry. For example, myself, in my previous role, I was the VP of product sales for a company called Converse, which is a company that provides a voicemail system to Verizon Wireless, to Sprint, and TMO. And if you wonder if I knew about the NSA, the answer is yes. To have a quick introduction to mobile and to us, we thought to use a great book that was written by Tommy Harlan in 2008. And if you like to see how science fiction can come to life, I recommend you to read the book. It's still available, by the way, in Amazon. That basically describe over there and back then what the impact of the mobile could have on the mobile advertising and all. Now, because all of us are veterans of the mobile industry, we believe that we bring a fresh look to the problem of mobile, to the subject of mobile advertising. And we believe that our way of looking on things is a bit different from a scale down from what you see on advertising on the internet. One of the phrases that we like to quote is by Tommy is the fact that the mobile is different from the internet as the TV is from the radio. As you know, any good startup should start with a problem, and the overall market of the local advertising it's huge, and each time we see a new survey and research, the number only go in one direction, up. But we see three different entities that basically each one of them have a different need that we don't see, as far as we understand the market, how there is one system that basically addresses all their needs. We talk about the companies and the brands, we talk about the local SMB, and we talk about the consumer. We didn't find right now a way, we didn't see a way in the market in which all of those three entities find an ecosystem that they can all share and can all enjoy. I think that I don't bring you any surprise by telling you the small business, the last one is going to try to solve this problem because of tools, because of time, because of budget, because of everything. And any problem that you try to solve, it's nice that you have some dollar sign around it. And this was information that was presented to the Local Search Association in 2012. Basically talked about $500 million that left on the table out of the 1.7 billion that we believe, by the way, can be even more than that if the tools will be right. Now, when instead of just running and try to solve the problem, we are a great believer in crawl and walk and run. So for us, in order to start in crawling, the first thing that we would like to do is basically introduce to you the basic tool of 121 Mobile. Now, as a technical team, we believe that you need to walk the walk and talk the talk, meaning most of the presentation from now on you will see it's basically based on demos and not on a static slide. So if you are a member of 121 Mobile product and you have the password and the login, when you're going into our platform, you can see the following website that I hope that all of you can see. As you can see immediately, we are a software as a service. We are a SaaS company that you need to log to the web in order to activate the tools. What we provide you over here basically is the ability to create your promotion in less than a minute. You can have 4 different templates you can choose. You can go to the easy one on the left, which is the 3 lines and the pictures, Or if you have a graphic designer, they have a crazy idea that you want to implement, you can go all over here and go all the way for freestyle. In order to make it simple for us, I just choose the easy one. You can place the content of the offering. In this case, I offer a free chip for any purchasing of large hobby. And of course, you can also upload the pictures that represent the product. In this case, one of the best sandwich, although if you have high cholesterol, I don't recommend it to eat it. And of course, you have the capability to have expiration. By doing so, what you get in the end of the day is a promotion that's ready to be sent. This promotion look on the mobile like that. This is from the iPhone that I connected to my mobile. You see the name of the business, you see the address, you see the offering, you see the pictures, you see the capability to share it via Twitter, via Facebook, or share it via mobile. And just to show you, I just received, just as an example, for myself, let me go just scroll this one up, just a second. I got an invitation to go to lunch, of course, for myself. And as you can see the same promotion. Important things, this promotion is being sent to the mobile as a picture messaging, or as we call it in a different way, MMS. The reason that we decided to go in app and in MMS is from few reasons. The first reason is you see that this is a rich media that allows you to bring by far more information to the customers. You don't need to know the acronyms and all the shortcuts that you have in text message. You have enough characters to write the story of your life, of course, if your story is short. The other important thing that you see is the structure. The structure gives you the ability to have the name of the business and the address without assuming that the customer knows about it. So any new customer that will get it will know exactly where he can go and get this sandwich. The other thing that's very important is the picture, and we all know the picture was 1,000 words. And last but not least is the two things that you see over here. The first one is the QR and the second is the ribbon. The QR is basically your loyalty, your mobile loyalty membership card. All the information that you as a consumer have with your relationship with Hoagie Evan is embedded over here. And if you use our application and scan it, you will get all this information back to you. This is a very key thing that we use because this allows us basically to keep all the information and all the connectivity between the store, the shop, and the consumer embedded over here, and we can track it, and I will show later on how we're going to utilize it. The second is a small ribbon that basically shows you your seniority level with this store. This is not our idea. This came, I believe, in Southwest. They used it a long time ago. I don't know if they still use it. That they put a different color on the tickets, so the people actually greeting you in the gate know exactly what is a seniority, and of course, we'll put other words and welcome you when you have a high seniority than someone that is his first fight with Southwest. All of that come to any type of phone, smartphone and non-smartphone. On the smartphone, it can come on an app. All the rest will arrive, as I said, in the picture messaging or MMS. So this is the first leg or the first piston of our engine. The second one is the customer. Because we came, all of us, from the mobile industry, we all know that in the mobile world, the mobile carrier basically track all the information and all the activity the consumer made on their mobile in order for them to send you the bill in the end of the month. That's the reason you see the minutes and you see the number that you call, how many messages, how many times you're using the web, etc. We do the same. We take all the information that's available to us and basically provide you a very nice dashboard that shows you how many people, what is the phone number, what was the last engagement, of course, how many engagement you did. You as a manager of the store can change the seniority level or the loyalty level if you like. You can change those numbers in a click of a button and basically define what could be, what is the definition of a platinum level customer compared to a bronze level. The last and the most important part is basically our dashboard. Our dashboard shows you all the activity that happen under your account. From between you and your customers. You can, what we decided to present over here are three views of the whole data. But if you as a customer, as you as an ad agency, or you as a service bureau want to have different view of the data, this of course could be done in a very easy way because we build the system from day one to do so. The last one that you can see over here, or the next one, is the ability to redeem. We basically provide 3 ways to redeem. The first one is from the app. You just slide the QR to the right, and you punch a code that only the business owner knows, or the business, the people that work in this store. You punch it in, you do a send, and your coupon basically redeem, and you can see it here, that if I do another refresh, you can see instead of 11, you will see 12. So this one was redeemed. This is the first option. The second option is we provide a quick application or small application that run on any phone that basically assists you to scan the QR of another phone. And whenever this QR was scanned, you see automatically again that this one was redeemed. And the last and the most common one is people saying, I don't want to spend time right now on doing all the scan. I'm a small medium business. Redemption is not my core business. And instead what they are doing most of the time, they basically going and ask the people that work on a cashier to write down on a piece of paper the phone number of the people that redeem those coupons along the day, and they punch it manually into the system, as you can see over here. It could be any type of number. It's a 10-digit number, of course, and you submit it and you redeem. End of story. The last leg that you see over here is our capability to provide more feature functionality when you have an app. There are 2 types of features that we can provide. The first one is Today Special. Instead of putting a sign outside, you can write down that on Thursday there is whatever, and this will be sent automatically by push message to all the people that download the app. Or if you like, you can have a punch card that basically have all the information, and you can, each time you come, another pieces of the puzzle is revealed, and when you have all those 9 pieces, you get this reward for free. So those are basically the tools that we went with them into the market. The feedback that we got from our customers was said, great tools, but assist us to promote the call for action. So all right, what we need to do is basically provide the customer the following. And we started in the beginning with the ability to upload the promotion to their Facebook, to tweet it, to print a poster, and I'm going to show you a quick example of how it looks like. Those are 3 types of posters that you can see in the area of Princeton, where I live in New Jersey. You can see it as a sign on the table. You can see the poster outside the store, and you can see even as a sign in a gas station. This is, by the way, one of our most successful customers. In the first 3 or 3.5 months, he have more than 200 people that sit on their car while someone fills their gas, and they text the word Princeton to 90597, and they got a $10 coupon from the next oil change. But we didn't stop there, because one of the things, again, that coming to play is the capability to show you the call for action in other media, and very important media, as we all know, which is the web. So on the web, you can see it in a variety of combinations. The first one is something that we can integrate with any website and have a dedicated page called Coupon, or whatever you want to call it. This is a limo company from New York. If you click on it, you will see all their promotion. This is their design and their offering. You can choose whatever promotion you would like to get. You will add your phone number, and you will get this promotion to your phone. We also add a carrier, because we want to limit the fact that someone can took advantage of your number and send it to somebody else. So this is the 3 things that you need to do. On top of it, we can also integrate with non-profit organizations. You see a different one, and we'll talk about it in a second. But I use this example just to show you a variety of promotion that we have from this area. You can see the limo, you can see the Princeton, you can see the local cuisine. This is not nationwide, this is locally. You can see a coffee shop, you can see a studio, You can see a furniture store. You could see a variety of different services or different solutions that the customer are using. Now, one of the things that we added lately is two capabilities. The first one is to push the message, to push the mobile promotion that we created as a picture messaging to all the consumers that already join in. If you text to join in, you basically give a permission. You give a permission to the store and to us to send you a message, and we limit it to one message a week, just to reduce to minimum the chance of spamming the customer. On top of it, something new that we present lately is the ability to advertising on Facebook. When you click over here, what you see basically is the tools that we provide to any business to define the geography and the gender and the age of the people that he would like to offer this promotion. After you finish the definition, you click over here, and the result will be something that looks like that. This is typically advertising on Facebook. If you click on it, you will get a landing page that we create automatically. The landing page consists with the name of the business, the address, the offering, a picture, as you see before. Again, the name of the business, what you need to do in order to redeem the coupon, and of course the ability for you to download it to your app. So this is how the landing page is looking on right now. Again, you can start from Facebook, and those pages or those ads, either here or here, could be fine-tuning to any web page, any setup. The only thing that we need, quote-unquote, it's the API and the size and the dimension of any ad. Now, speaking on the landing page, I would like to show one more thing. I think I have it here. No, okay, I will come back to it later. So this is basically what we have as the basic tools. And if I want to summarize it, this is the basic tool that we have. As you can see, it's easy to create the coupon. You have a very nice loyalty club that run automatically. You don't need to do anything from your perspective, from a store owner or manager. Everything is being tracked. Everything is being presented. It's very easy, and you have all the way to redeem if this is a key thing that's important for you. It works on any phone. It doesn't matter if the phone is a Nokia from 5 years ago, or iPhone 5, or in 2 months from now, iPhone 6. It will work on any phone. And the last but not least is the ability to promote those advertising, to promote those offering by different channels. I demonstrate a few of them, but I would like to emphasize those four. The first one is Facebook that I talked about with the geo-targeted capability, the ability to send it to the mobile phone of your customers. A new thing that we are working those days is to integrate with a company called CSGI. They have a very interesting product called Value Center that will assist us to integrate with the major internet and cable provider in the States, and basically to bring those local advertising into those nationwide cables and internet provider websites, and basically reach a win-win-win between the smallest customers to the largest carrier. And last but not least in this list is, of course, the local portals that we would like to find a partnership or define a partnership with them, and basically take all the tools that you can see over here and just let the small business, the local small business, the capability to advertising the new promotion on those websites. By doing so, we basically finish crawling and start standing and start walking to the real solving of this problem. And the real solving of this problem, we start with managing a co-op mobile campaign. In order to demonstrate this offering, we went and built a very quick campaign for this webinar. I created before. I created before. As you can see, please join us, the date, the time, and of course the logo of the local sales association that sponsors this webinar. The company mobile, the company campaign manager or the brand campaign manager is sitting on his desk and defined this promotion and said, this is what I would like to promote with all the local store or the local distributors or the local partner that I have or the local franchise I have, it doesn't matter. So after we define how the promotion would look like, he basically has the capability to upload the list of stores, the list of point of sales or franchise that he has. The list can come in two different ways. It can come as Excel spreadsheet, as you can see over here, or if a company does not have it on a spreadsheet, is more of a web-based company, we can take any type of web list like you see over here. This is one of our customers, and take the address and take all the information that's needed back into our system and utilize it. So you going over here, and basically you have a promotion that you like to promote, and you have all the businesses that you like that this promotion will reach. When you do a launch, all of this information is being distributed automatically, and a localized campaign is being created. The campaign that I show you over here is, as you can see, the text is the same, the picture is the same, but, and this is a key thing, the address and the name of the business is changed. So you localized the brand advertising per the business and its location. There are two important things that we would like to emphasize in this on this page. The first one, as you can see, the small business cannot change anything here. And one of the input that we got from so many brand manager that try to dip in the legs into the cold water of co-op marketing is I need to get a permission for my manager for the co-op marketing that basically combine between the local business and my brand. In this case, I'm talking about the brand of the company, have 100% control of how it's going to look like. The only thing that is going to change is the name of the business and the address. Now, on top of it, for you, the local business, this platform still allows you to create your own campaign. So from the same platform, you can basically address the needs or be part of a big campaign of a big brand that promotes a new product. On the other hand, the same system will allow you to create your own local promotion for your store without any relationship or needed for approval from the big brand that actually is supporting a different campaign. Last but not least, as I said, we came from the mobile, and the mobile, everything is being tracked and everything is being present. So for the campaign manager, he will have the capability to look on the performance, and he can see which campaign worked better in which store, in what time of the day, what day of the week, what hour of the day, what day of the month, you name it. Any type of display of data or data display that you would like us to create has been very easy. This is the system that we built from day one, so we can present whatever necessary, wherever needed. Now, a key thing of any campaign, and I think I preached to the choir over here, okay, we need to now to let everybody knows about it. And the way for them to know about it is basically an email blast that we created. This is a template that we are using for other service. You as the campaign manager have the capability to enter your text over here, or if you like, you can change the text over here. It doesn't matter. The important thing over here is that this is personalized. So any business owner will get an email that have his name, his business name and address, so he can see how the co-op marketing with the brand and himself look like. And even more than that, he can text, and this is a random number that we put, but it's different between stores, and see it on his phone without us asking him to download or to do anything on his phone. He can do it on any phone, he can text it, he can see it on his mobile and say, you know what? I want to join in, I want to be part of it. So to summarize those tools that we present, is, again, the ability to enter a database with the business info that including the names and the address, to generate the promotion, and of course to distribute it. Now, everything that you see over here before I click, most of it is done almost automatically, meaning give us a database of a business, give us one coupon that you generate, and give us a list of email and the text, and all of this will be done automatically at a click of a button. You, of course, have the ability to monitor, and I think that we cover it in the previous slide, the ability to promote. So you can promote it, and if a brand or a company have relationship with other portals or other web page, or want to have a banner in many other different ways, it's for us, just give us the requirement necessary, and we can address it immediately without any problem. So finally, after all of these slides, we can start run and try to solve the problem. And just to remind us all, the problem that we are trying to solve is the connectivity between the consumer, the connection between the consumer, and where the consumer can buy the product in the local SMB. This is what we try to do. In order, again, we walk the walk and talk the talk, we decided that we're going to show you how it's look like. Let me just open, I need to open the two more sites so you can see it. Just a second, I'm sorry about that. I forgot to open it. So we took, open it. We took a real coupon that exists in the market. This is from Firestone for $21.99 that available till the end of this month. And we went to our friends in Yellow Pages. And the reason that we went to Yellow Pages is because I saw that there are many people from Yellow Pages that join us. And we looked for the small, medium business that basically exists in my area in Princeton, New Jersey. And as you can see, I don't see the coupon in none of those businesses. Yes, I can see it when I go to Firestone, sorry. Flintstone is a completely different entity. But I do not see it on the Yellow Pages. And the solution that One-to-One Mobile would like to offer is basically the capability to embed the coupon within the listing. So what you see over here, you see the name of the business, you see the address, and if you click over here, you will get the promotion that you saw before from Firestone. You see over here that, again, the name of the local business, the address, this is 100% controlled by the brand, by the company. The local business cannot change it. And you can have a landing page that basically can assist you to do everything. One important thing over here, because we all know that the customer's IP when he logged in to the web and going to any type of a web page, we basically can provide Firestone the capability to promote on the same day AC Liquid in Orlando, on the same time they will provide an antifreeze in Detroit, because this is customized. And the only thing, quote-unquote, that we need in order to run it is the API, and we can embed it our coupon over here, and it can go to any type of landing page that we would like. Speaking on landing page, I want to show you something that I tried to show before. Landing page could also be used for sponsor by or sponsor off. What you see over here is a campaign that's going to be launched in July 4th. This is a campaign in which the small medium business or the local business in Sudbury, Massachusetts are going to sponsor for the SWW, the Sudbury Warriors. It's a non-profit organization. So when you look on a landing page, you need to look at it as a place to put by far more with just a call for action of the local business promotion or the brand promotion. And if it was a brand, the brand can add this message over here, and you can have another interaction with your customers over the web. Okay. So to summarize the last demo that we present, We believe that there are tools over here that can assist and become flexible and can be geo-target to anyone that runs a campaign and can assist them to have a tailor-made solution in one hand that will be fit to the local SMB on one hand, get out of the one-size-fits-all, and assist and powerful both the SMB and the branded, or the company and the brand. One important thing is remember that anything that falls into the mobile, in the end of the day, could be shared and can be viral between friends. And we all have many different social networking, but the best social networking that we all have is our mobile phone address book. This is the most intimate social networking that we have, because you can have Facebook friends that you will see only once a year, or even less than that, but you will have all the people that need to communicate on a daily basis, on a weekly basis on your phone, because this is the #1 tool that we are using. On top of it, and this is a play very into the audience that's coming from the publisher side, from the listing side, from the local ad agency, because all of this data is being presenting in real time, and we collect it all, you basically can maximize the advertising price that you have. If you know that a green coupon button on entry of a business get X amount of clicks, while a yellow get X times 2, you can have a different price tag to different activity or different promotion that you have. And you can utilize it to change the way that you charge your customers for advertising on your website or your portal, on your listing pages. Well, to summarize this 31 minutes, in few sentences, we present you many tools. As I said in the beginning, we are a technology company. We believe that we provide tools for people. We provide the right tools for people that can take them and build them by far more than we even imagine. We believe that the tools that we provide can assist any type of marketing manager or brand manager or campaign manager to create and maintain and understand the campaign that he is running, with the capability to address unique needs from different markets on the same time, with the same software, with the same solution. And of course, there is money in the other side of solving this problem, and the ability to take it and basically provide a new triple win ecosystem to the consumer, to the company/brands, and to the local SMB. Now, if a picture equals 1,000 words, we hope that this small animation over here will worth at least all the words that we use in this presentation and summarize everything, that all those 5 wheels basically can rotate together and assist each other. And this is the whole purpose of what One-to-One Mobile is doing in bringing our tools into the market. And with that, I will thank you for your time and open the floor for questions. The pricing for the businesses, and I'm talking about right now as a small medium business, is $25 for the basic offering and $45 for the Facebook integration, and the 2 options that we have on the mobile. It's the special of the day and the punch card. The way that we doing our partnership is in any case is a different one, but the whole idea that we believe that each side of the equation can bring more, and the sum of those 2 can be by far more than 1 + 1. And that's the reason that our go-to-market is very tuned into a partnership with companies that represent brands, that represent a local small-medium business, that represent local portals in any different way or shape.
Thanks, Ito, so much for this webinar. It was great info, and we appreciate your time. I'd also like to thank everyone else for attending today. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us at LSA, and we can connect you with today's presenter. We have some more exciting webinars coming up this summer, so stay tuned for those. Also, don't forget about our Social Plus Mobile Show Me the Money conference coming up in Chicago. We're working with Burrell Associates and the local media association on the agenda, and it's coming together nicely. Check out our website or our social media pages for more on that. So with that, thanks again for coming, and have a great day.